Hey you guys, welcome back to our Happy Meets Healthy. If you're a buffalo chicken wing lover like I am for game day or for happy hour or just for any reason, you probably also realize what fat and calorie bombs they are, and it's such a bummer. But I've got great news for you. I have an awesome way to lighten up your very favorite buffalo wings in an easy way, including the blue cheese dip. And for my Weight Watchers friends out there, these are only one smart point each for a buffalo chicken tender plus some of my sneaky light blue cheese dip. It's so simple to make. It's perfect for tailgates. You can also do it for meal prep. This makes a really delicious salad topper, or you could use the buffalo chicken tenders in a wrap with some of this light blue cheese spread too. So let's get started. Buffalo wings are usually made from full fat, dark meat chicken wings with the skin on. They're generally deep fried, then dipped in that delicious buttery hot sauce. So what we're gonna do today to get all of that juicy chicken flavor and that yummy spicy buffalo flavor that we love so much, instead we're gonna use chicken tenders. The reason I love using these, they're basically already cut into chicken finger shape, which makes your life a lot easier. You could totally do this recipe with chicken breast that you cut into sticks or strips if you wanted, or also chicken breast that you cubed and put on a skewer. But I love these tenderloins. They're so juicy and tender, and they're already pre-cut for you. So we're gonna season them, definitely with a little bit of salt. And what we're gonna do, instead of deep frying these, we're gonna pop them on a grill. So the grill is gonna give that nice charred, extra rich flavor to them while keeping things light. So we're doing some kosher salt, and then I'm gonna use two of my favorite spices on here. One is granulated garlic. I love granulated garlic. It has the flavor of real garlic, but it won't burn on the grill. It actually has a more authentic garlic flavor than garlic powder too. Garlic powder has some additives put in it, so just seek this out in the spice section of your supermarket if you can. I'm gonna season both sides of these with these spices too. Then, to give these a little additional color and another great little burst of flavor, I'm gonna add a little chili powder to the top. Don't worry, it's not gonna taste like chili. It's just gonna kind of carry that buffalo color and flavor through. While I'm seasoning these, you're gonna wanna get your grill pan or your grill nice and hot. It's really important to get things to high heat, and that way when the meat hits the pan, it's gonna give that really great flavorful char. And I'll show you how to test for that too. Okay, let's see if our grill is hot enough. One of my chef instructors in culinary school taught me this trick. This is great for steak, burgers, everything. You basically want to test by dipping a little tiny bit of the protein or veggie or whatever it is you're grilling on the grill to see if it sizzles right away when it touches. If it doesn't, just hold off and let it get really hot. Again, when you're grilling something, especially something lean like this, you really want to get that charring to happen really fast so that it doesn't dry out on the inside before it finishes browning on the outside. Okay, so we're good here. You can hear the sizzle. You also, if you're using a grill pan like this one, will want to work in batches. You don't ever want to crowd your pan when you're looking for that yummy browning. What'll happen if you put too much of this meat in there, it would wind up just steaming itself and get white and mushy, and you wouldn't get those yummy grill marks that we want. Okay, while our chicken is grilling, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to make my sneaky light blue cheese dip. It is so easy. You know, here at Where Happy Meets Healthy, we love using fat-free Greek yogurt to lighten things up. And I'm going to use it to make a really flavorful, awesome blue cheese dip. I actually like it better than the mayo-based version. It slashes the calories and fat, and it's also awesome just for like a veggie dipper or to use on top of salads if you're a blue cheese fan. So we'll start with some fat-free Greek yogurt, and then we're going to add some crumbled gorgonzola or blue cheese. We'll also add a little bit of garlic. And again, if you've been following me, you know how much I love mincing garlic on a microplane. It just makes life so much easier. Fresh burst of yummy garlic flavor. Then, this is the secret ingredient, a little tiny bit of Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna just dash that in. It's gonna give it a little bit more umami and richness and depth of flavor without adding any smart points or calories. Just mix all that together. If you wanted, you could add some chopped chives or some chopped scallions to this. So once your chicken is cooked for like 3 to 4 minutes per side, you can actually test it. This is what I do a lot. You can see if it bounces back really quickly, it's done. If it still feels mushy and raw inside, it's not. Or you could use a meat thermometer to be totally safe. You get it just about completely done. Now we're gonna add our buffalo chicken glaze to it. And here's how easy it is to do. First of all, choose what hot sauce you wanna use. Frank's is a classic, or cayenne I know is really popular down south, but you can try chipotle hot sauce. Like, go crazy, have whatever hot sauce brand that you really like and you enjoy. Now, if you check out most buffalo wing recipes, it's usually like 50-50 butter to hot sauce, but that's not necessary. What we're gonna do is whisk in a little bit of melted butter into some hot sauce. It's actually 2 tablespoons to 1/4 cup, so we're lightening things up there. But it's still gonna have that rich, buttery, delicious flavor you like so much. So what we'll do, once this is stirred together, you can either just use a spoon to gently glaze it, or you could use a brush if you have one. But we're just gonna go over both sides of the chicken like this. Oh my God, it smells amazing, you guys. I can't wait to eat these. Okay, pointer. Step back from the grill when you add it. It's not even the hot sauce that's gonna kind of go up and get in your nose. It's the vinegar in the hot sauce. It almost made me cough there. But you can see how delicious and glazed and luscious these buffalo chicken tenderloins look. So we can just flip them a few times, let the buffalo sauce cook on. But the other great thing about doing it this way, we're actually gonna wind up with some extra hot sauce that we can drizzle on at the end or use as extra dip, because not everybody likes their chicken wings as saucy as other people. So this gives you lots of flexibility, and you don't have to worry about any raw chicken getting into this buffalo mixture. That's it. It's that easy to lighten up a game day happy hour favorite, delicious buffalo wings for a fraction of the calories and fat, and only 1 smart point each with light blue cheese dip. If you guys liked this video, please be sure to share it with your friends. Say hi to me in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite game day snacks are if you try this video. And don't forget to hit the red arrow and subscribe below too. I absolutely love this recipe. Luscious, juicy, amazing buffalo chicken tenders for just 1 smart point. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, you guys, so good. And the best part is, save smart points and calories so you guys can crack a beer. Cheers to fall fun, football season, happy hour, and Happy Meets Healthy lightened up snacks. Cheers, guys.